Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Type chkdsk/f/r c:, and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c:, and simply press enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space c:/. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Type attrib c:/boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type ren space c:/boot /bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.